Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade V70 Max, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with making sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. The second thing is that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you will have to do it right now, either in the Play Store or you can do it in your device's settings. It's totally up to you. You can also check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So now, after logging in and everything, we have to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is basically your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. Now we have to tap on the updates available here, and as you can see, this is the list of the apps which are currently installed on the device and can be updated. So all you have to do is to simply mark the apps. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them. If you want to, you can mark only 2 or 3, totally up to you. And after marking, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will simply download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.